In this class we will learn how to create the views of sections, which are important, as they facilitate the display of internal details of the piece. With the detailing started in the previous class open, let's go. In SolidWorks 2013, the function of the command align section view has been incorporated into the section view command, which has been redesigned. We click on this command and see that its interface allows you to create various types of section views, including half-section functionality. We will create a section view by keeping selected the option horizontal and checking the option auto start section view. See that the mouse displays a symbology and we must click on the reference point to create the section. The section is created and just position it with the mouse click. The hacked area represents the solid area that was cut into the workpiece. We can change the identification name of the view, as well as the scale and style. Clicking on flip direction, we change the direction of the cut. We can also edit the cropping line by clicking on it with the right mouse button and on Edit Sketch. Let us now create a half section. We activate the command again and click half section. See that we have several options for positioning the cut. We choose the option shown, position the mouse in the desired location in the view and click. We position the view and see that only the top of the piece has been cut off. You can also create cuts with additional offsets, which allow you to choose the details that will be shown in the cut view. To do this, we activate the command and deselect the option of automatic insertion of section view. We choose the type of cut line and click on the part to position it. See that the options box is displayed. We will use the third type, where we must make the first and second click on the cutting line and the third to set the height of the notch. We select the option and make the clicks. We confirm the box and position the view. This type of feature is useful when we have parts with misaligned holes, as we can display them in the cut view easily. We can change the label font of the section view by going to Tools, Options, Document Properties, View Labels, Section. In the Label Options area, simply change the font of each item. After changing, just confirm the box and view the modifications to the drawing. We can also automatically reuse deleted view letters. For example, we delete this section and create another one. Note that the deleted letter has not been reused. To do this, let's go on Tools, Options, System Options, Drawings. We activate the shown option and confirm. We erase the section and create another one. See that the deleted view letter has now been reused. This applies for section views, detail views, and auxiliary views. We have seen in this class how to insert section views into the details, using the 2013 version enhancements for the section view command.